Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. So there's a lot of people's actually try to jailbreak your device, then they're feeling like, oh, there's a lot of issues. Uncover 4.0.1 fix that issues, but some people's just not liking jailbreak. Some people don't like instability in the operating system. They just want to go back to the stock version. So this small video how you're going to do this. So I'm already jailbroken, having cydia here. So what you're going to do, you just click on uncover, click out the settings button here, which is appear on the uncover, and you can see here there's a lot of things here, and you can see here there's a one thing which we call restore root fs. Just turn this on, click done, and their option will be appear which is called restore root fs. Once you click that option, it will completely remove every tweaks, completely remove uncover and cydia, and you can go back to the stock version of iOS. This will not lose any data. This will not gonna restore your iPhone. Actually, it will restore the file system. Actually, it make your iPhone look like exactly what it was before when it was a stock version. So you can do software updates or whatever you want to do if you don't liking it, but or you can erase your data, everything you can do. Or if you just want to do it, or if you have any kind of issues with cydia, you want to restore the cydia, you can do it this method. Just click on the settings button of uncover and it will come back here, and when you come here you just turn this option restore root fs, and boom, just click restore root fs on uncover and you're ready to go. That easy, guys. This will actually work very well. Before doing this, just back up your data on your iTunes or iCloud, because it will crash or do something wrong with your device, but better, it will not do anything. Just restore your file system. I hope you like this video. Peace out.